Hi, welcome to another Botsociety tip. In this video, I'd like to show you how you can translate or localize the content of your conversations using Botsociety. So I know this can be a bit confusing, but let me try to help you, okay? So until a few weeks ago, if I needed to design any project with multiple languages, I would need to create a separate design file for each language. And then I would need to translate the same conversations into different design files, which can get really messy and complex real quick because I'm managing two different design files, right? So another way of saying that is that if I needed to design a project that is in English and needs to be translated to Portuguese, I would need to duplicate this design file from English and create a copy of that in Portuguese. And then I'm going to try my best to keep the file updated because I'm going to be updating two different design files, right? So to avoid that, we just introduce a new way to this or to manage this translation type of work, which is going to enable you to design everything and translate every type of conversation into one single design file and make things easier for everyone that is going to translate the conversations. So let me show you how you can do this on Botsociety. So to show you how you can use this, I created this really small example, which is a digital assistant for a bank, right? So here you can see this design is in English. The bot says something like, "Hello, I'm Alice. I'm a bank, digital and personal assistant. To help you can ask for things like account balance or change the limits," something like that. And this is pretty much a really small design because we can see pretty much everything here, right? So to add a new language to this design file, I just need to go here on this icon on the left that says language. And then Botsociety is going to ask me like, in which language is your conversation designed? So for this one, it is already in English, so I'm just gonna keep that. But to add a new language, I just need to come here, enable languages, and then select a new language. Since I am Brazilian and I do speak Brazilian Portuguese, I'm gonna add here Portuguese. And now you're going to see that I have this new option here, translate for language, which is going to be Portuguese, and the display language, which is English at the moment. So right now I just added a new language, and now I can just change to the translated version of it. And here, Botsociety is going to let me know which I need to translate, right? And on the right, it's going to let me know an English version of that particular message. So here, I'm missing a translation from this one. Instead of saying hello, I can say, for example, hello in Portuguese would be olá, for example. And the same goes down here, like, hello, I'm Alice. So here you can say like, olá, eu sou Alice. And I can see on the right? I'm a bank, digital and personal assistant. So I can say, eu sou Alice, sua assistente bancária, digital e pessoal. Para ajudar você, você pode perguntar por coisas como saldo da conta ou mudar limites. Como posso ajudar você hoje? And yeah, so this is basically me translating this conversation, but also having the opportunity to see on the right side the exact same message that I'm going to be translated as I am designing. And the same goes for pretty much every type of component that we can see on Botsociety. So here we have the options in English for the buttons. So here I can say saldo da conta, cartão de crédito, pagamentos recentes. So after I started to translate my conversations from English to Portuguese, I, as a designer, I'm going to be able to be changing back and forth from different languages. If I don't want to see that translated version on the right, I can just turn it off, the translation mode. But if I like to just go back to the Portuguese and then close it out, I can just do that. So am I gonna be also seeing this type of message here because it needs a translation, right? So so this is pretty much how you can enable a new language and also how you can translate the message of your conversations. Another thing that is really important to say is that you can also share your design in a different language. So the way that you do that is basically the same way that you always did on Botsociety, but here you're going to see that there is a new option here, language. It's right below or right at the top of the copy link and copy link for tests, you're gonna be able to select which language you like to share your design file as well. And the same goes whenever you're going to share this with a tester. You can also select a language for this person to test your design in the language that you would like to see it. And yeah, I think this is pretty much it. I'm not going to go deep dive on all the features that we have on the multi-language features, but we're going to introduce new videos that is going to teach you how you can use different parts of this new feature. So I hope you can turn this on. You can enable your conversations in a different language, and you can start in another language today. So I hope to see you in another Botsociety tip, and that's it. Bye bye.